The HECO Proven Process. HECO helps industrial plants utilize more dependable motors and equipment. Through a mix of repair, predictive service, product sales, equipment management, and field service, HECO helps clients see what's going on with their equipment, get rid of issues as they arise, and prevent future issues from happening. To do this, HECO follows its proven process. It starts with the discover phase. This is where we get to know each other and identify the issues you are facing. We then investigate these issues to determine what help that we can provide that will be the most effective. Then finally we can implement. This is where we put in place approved solutions to solve the problems, for good. Following this proven process provides our clients with results of long-term reliability and reduced total cost of ownership, which then creates peace of mind. Discover, investigate, implement, results. HECO is focused on maximizing the reliability of rotating equipment. Visit us at hecoinc.com to learn more.